Hey guys, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rishi, and in this video I'll be showing you how did we track or hack the person who made our friend's fake ID. So, a quick disclaimer, this video is only for entertainment and educational purposes and in no way intend to promote unethical hacking. Please adhere to the laws that in the region that you're staying and do not trouble society with your skills. So, this is my friend Pranav, and somebody apparently made a fake ID with his name. So, first stage to track this person is to make fake ID ourselves. Since we don't know who made the fake ID, we ourselves have to make fake ID to contact the target so that they don't think that we are onto them. Our stage 2 will be to make our ID seem legitimate. So what we did was, in the bio of our profile, we added some college's name and we started to follow student from that college, and people thought that this might be our colleague and they followed back, and that's how we gain followers. And also we use artificial intelligence to create some pictures and use them as our profile pic. Since we wanted to gain followers very quickly, we made fake ID of that of a girl, AI generated, and we gained more than 400 followers within a week. So that's how our ID seemed legitimate. Now we had an ID that seemed real. We were ready to follow our target and make contact with them. So our third stage was to contact the target and gain their trust and to show them that we are fooled by their fake ID. So we followed the target. Within 6 hours, our request was accepted and they started to follow us back. And why do people make fake ID? They generally make it to know about your personal life, what you are doing, by trying to impersonate you in front of people that you are close to, or they try to do it for character assassination. So what we tried was, we struck up a conversation with them saying, "Hey Pranav, do you remember that night that we enjoyed together at the club?" And our conversation went on for a while and we gained their trust, and after a while we sent them a link and we said that here's the link to the drive on which we have uploaded the pictures of that night. And since they seemed to trust us, they clicked on the link, and with that we got the location. For that we used the tool named Seeker. Now I'll show you how to use Seeker. So this is a GitHub page for Seeker, and as you can see, they have the instructions on how to install the Seeker and how to use it. I'll show you a quick demonstration on my terminal. As you can see, this is the Seeker and this is user interface. It works in GUI. Now there are many templates. These templates are just a replica of the website, but what I used was the custom link preview, because what I have in there is, it loads up a blank page, and when people seem to see a blank page, they think that बार बार reload करते हैं, and they think कि अब net आ जाएगा तो we'll be able to load the page. But that isn't the case over here. It's just a blank page, and as many times they try to reload the page, that many times I get the location. So I'll put 7 over here. Do you wish to use a previous configuration? Now it is very self-explanatory. It is very easy configuration. Nothing. They just ask what name would you like, etc., etc. So nothing very difficult. I'll use my previous configurations. And as you can see, they have hosted a website on port 8080. Now this is a locally hosted website. What if I want to use it? I can access this website if I am connected to my router, to my home router. What if I want to access this from outside? What I'll do is, I'll use this service, Servio. What Servio does is that it hosts my local port online. It tunnels it. Now once I do this, as you can see, I've got a link, http erga.servio.net. So anybody who will click on this link will be loading a blank page, and on that blank page it will ask for their location, and what it will give me is their phone which they are using, which OS they are using, and it will give me their latitude and longitude and their private and public IP. So with the help of this tool Seeker, I got our target's location, where they were, latitude and longitude, their GPS physical location. So after Seeker, After we got the location, I sent those details to Pranav, and on second day Pranav went over there and he's checked out the location. Our target was using an iPhone, so Pranav saw the location and was checking out for people who were using iPhone over there, but the place was very crowded. So what he did was he came back and he texted me, भाई और information निकाल के दे, इससे कुछ नहीं होगा. So our stage, I guess, what were you on, fourth stage? Okay, so this was our stage 4, which was not completed totally, only partially completed. So next day, we were leading the conversation with our target, and our target was interested in certain product. So what we did was, we sent them a link again, and this time we said, look, check it out, this is the product that you are looking, right? Once they opened that page, it asked for their permission and of the camera, and once they allowed it, what happened was it took their picture continuously till that website was open, and then they closed the website, so within 30 seconds or so, or they closed the browser. I don't know what they really did, but I closed the session from my side once I got the picture. So for this we used the tool named Max Fisher, and this is their GitHub page. Now even here they have instruction on how to install Max Fisher. It is a very great tool, I must say. Now I will close this server that I'm using, and I'll show you demonstration of Max Fisher. Takes quite a while to load. You have local access token. Now right now I'll put no. What it is, that it is asking for local tunnel. That it is a service that provides tunnel to your local port. So I'll put no. Now see here, I can fish for login, images, video, audio, location, IP tracer, device, clipboard. So basically even this can fish for a location, so no need for Seeker if I was directly using this, but as you can see, it gives everything differently, like device would be different and IP tracer would be different. So Seeker was giving everything together. Now I just want images over here, right? So I'll choose image, and for this demonstration purpose and for hacking that person, I used not hacking but phishing that person, I used YouTube Live. So what this will do is it will locally host a website, and it will automatically generate the link. Like for Seeker we had to go on different terminal and host and ask for a link, but what Max Fisher does is automatically host my website on Cloudflare and the service that I use. Like I use Servier, so it has automatically detected that I use Servier, and it will automatically generate those links and give it to me. So let us wait for it. As you can see, it has already generated links for me by Servier, by localhost run, and by Cloudflare. Now if I want to, I can customize this link. Like I can add a subdomain. Like if I want google.com, so the google.com will come first, and then will Servier come, so the people might think that it is legitimate website, that it's a google.com. But right now I'll just keep it blank, that I don't want to customize, since this is only for demonstration purpose. And now you can see, now it is just waiting for the information. Now if I will click on this link, it will ask for my permission, and then it will start cleaning those pictures of mine. So right now I don't want to do anything. I'll close my terminal as used for both of them this time. Now we were done with Max Fisher, and now we had the pictures of the front camera. So we knew that this person who was our target was somebody who is following Pranav from the real ID, because they posted few pictures of Pranav that were posted by Pranav on his real ID. So we referenced those selfies that we acquired and with Pranav's follower, and we got a match. They fit a description of the location and using an iPhone, and apparently our target was a she, not a he, and the descriptions were given by Seeker and Max Fisher were too. So we have decided to let this person go off with a warning and asking them to delete the account that they made of Pranav, and that's it for the video, guys. So guys, this is how we caught our target and accomplished this mission. That's all for this video. Please do like, share, comment on this video, give suggestion for future video that you want, and stay safe, stay happy. Hope to catch you on the next one. Bye.
So guys, this is how you catch a fake ID. Mission successful.